Hello and welcome to another update video on SEI. The SEI chart at the moment is currently still in a local uptrend. Yeah? So I have added here a micro support area we can track. I mean, we're still tracking this move to the upside from the Tuesday low, 17th of June. It is a three-wave move to the upside. I mean, everybody can see that. It's crystal clear three waves, clearly. What I don't like about it is the sharp decline we've had. So the risk obviously here is on this chart that this is a bit sharp, right? This is starting to break down at some point, but we're still holding above support levels. So for now, if we zoom out a little bit and go to the 4-hour time frame, you see I'm tracking this at the moment as an A, B, C structure. And the C wave unfolded basically as it should. Okay, I think someone actually from the community brought it up that this looks like a 5-wave move up. I only started to track it again because it was brought up, which is the power of the community, obviously. But yeah, we had a 5-wave move up here and a 3-wave pullback. Basically, it reacted as planned, and then the 3rd wave up. 4th wave held support just about, and we could now be in the 5th wave to the upside. So that would then be a completed C wave. The question is always, okay, what if we don't get the 5 waves? Or when can I say that most likely we're not going to get 5 waves up to complete the C wave, which could take us, to be honest, in the first step to 39.9 cents, maybe even, wow, 44.444 cents. Okay. So the key support zone here is between 25.7 and 27.7 cents. What we don't want is that in this move up, which I could label a 1-2 setup, yeah, maybe the wave 1 is still unfolding, maybe it's stopped, it's a bit unclear at this point, but this is the support area. So as long as we are holding in this potential wave 2, 25.7 cents, the door to higher prices remains open. This is a mess, obviously. It's a very small time frame. It's an altcoin chart. I could call that 5 waves up already. It would look better here to call that 5 waves up. Either way, the support area should cover it. If we break below 25.7 cents and then also break below the beginning of the wave 1, which is the invalidation point, then we have to think about, okay, what would be an alternative? And that's typically then the first step of failure. Alternative, quite clear actually. 3 waves down, probably an A wave, high B wave, C wave down, can make another attempt later. Yeah. So basically that the yellow circle B shifts to here. We will then fall back into the larger pattern basically. Yeah. In which case then we have to track support again that we tracked before for the circle wave B pullback, which is this. This is a lower support. We only really need the lower support regions then. 15.3 cents to 17.3 cents. So you see also here, that's where circle wave B actually finished. But this support area will then likely become relevant again, yeah, if we break below upper support. It would mean A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. And I'll highlight that in maybe orange, okay? So just that you know what would be a reasonable bearish alternative. And it might mean that because the B wave then did overshoot, that the C wave will never break below the A wave low. That's the update on SEI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for further updates, additional updates, charts that we sometimes don't cover on YouTube, just additional stuff, mindset stuff, conversations. You'll find the link in the description. I've also put it into the comment section. Thanks so much. I wish you a great Sunday. Don't forget, later today, 5 p.m. UTC is our member live stream. If you're interested, we normally cover like 40 coins or more in these hourly sessions. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.